All the shit they say about me tryna get into my head, I just let it flow, my nigga, like I'm water resistant. They're tryna crucify me cause I'm tryna make a change. Feeling like I'm like a dude, I'm feeling like a slave. Missing my brother for real, I'll never be the same. It's really hard to see my mama going through the pain. My daddy tryna act strong, God is feeling pain. I just need a remedy to take the pain away. Wandering in the forest, I'm trying to find the way. The devil's working overtime, you're trying to block my ways. Already lingela njalo dead, I gotta pray. They're trying to get into my head, I keep on moving like a train. This life is not a fairy tale. One day we gonna celebrate, the man above will make a way.
Yeah, dear Lord, you make me strong, yeah. Dear Lord, you make me strong, yeah. Feeling pain, I got no choice, yeah. Feeling pain, I got no choice, yeah. Feeling pain, I gotta hold on. Feeling pain, I gotta hold on. Dear Lord, you make me strong, yeah. Dear Lord, you make me strong, yeah. Feeling pain, I got no choice, yeah. Feeling pain, I got no choice, yeah.
Yeah, I'm fighting demons every night, that's why I barely sleep. I'm tryna ease the pain, that's why I'm drinking Hennessy. Maybe I need a session with a therapist. Maybe I have to make a consultation regarding my situation. I just wanna have a conversation with the generation that is full of stress and depression. We're posting happy pictures while our hearts are broken. We're drinking every weekend, rises pop up my bottle with fucking bitches every weekend. Things are different when you're sober, I just wanna be alone cause I'm turning to a stoner. Maybe I need a remedy, anxiety's killing me. Pull umhlaba, there's no peace. Every night I'm on my knees, I'm fighting demons in my sleep, fighting poverty, feeling like a failure. I just need a healer. Everything I do never succeed, even my relationships. I'm about it because I got the rope around my neck. I'ma pull up in the hearse 2023. I was turning 23. A lot of shit was going on. Yeah, fuck it. Current unstable state of mind.